Introducing the new Ruud Triton Light Duty Commercial Gas Water Heater. Triton Light Duty is a robust solution that offers small businesses more durability, more hot water per hour, and more uptime maximizing intelligence. It also shines in replacement and offers easy servicing. And how it works is just another reason it's so impressive. The top water inlet uses a dip tube that directs incoming water to the bottom of the tank. The tank's thermostat senses the temperature drop from the incoming cold water, prompting a call for heat to the control board. The blower, powered by a factory-installed plug and requiring a standard 120-volt outlet, answers the call and begins the pre-purge cycle, pulling air through the intake venting. Upon successful completion of the pre-purge cycle, the gas valve opens and gas flows into the burner for ignition. The igniter sparks and combustion begins. Inside the helical coil heat exchanger, combustion gases rapidly transfer heat to the water. As the combustion gases travel through the heat exchanger, they begin to cool, creating condensation. The heat exchanger is porcelain glass coated to increase the tank's life by reducing corrosion, and the internal diverter increases durability. Acidic condensation then flows toward the exhaust tee, where it's neutralized inside the neutralizer boot. The neutralized condensation then safely travels out of the unit. The combustion gases are vented from the exhaust tee to the outdoors. There are several venting accessories and termination options available. Then, hot water exits through either the top or upper side water connection. Designed by plumbers and perfected by our engineering, the Ruud Triton Light Duty is a robust commercial business solution.